Hello, Professor. Our project is differentiating between human and chat-generated text answers. My teammates are Gagan, Srikumar, Naveen, Shashank, and Akshay. Going to introduction of our project, the project is about finding a way to tell if a person or a chat GPT wrote something, especially for a schoolwork. It is important have a good day to way check to keep the schoolwork honest and show the real work to student do. So the project focused on developing a methodology to distinguish between human and chat generated text, particularly for student submissions and communication. The motivation and business problem of this project is explained by my friend Akshay.
Coming back to the motivation, as everyone knows that the rapid advancement of artificial intelligence, particularly in the field of natural language processing, has led to the development of advanced language models like ChatGPT. These models are so adept at mimicking human language that it's often quite difficult to distinguish between text written by a human and that generated by AI. This development poses significant challenge, especially as these AI systems become more sophisticated in emulating human writing styles and contextual understanding. The main objective of this project is to develop a comprehensive approach using ChatGPT and advanced deep learning models like BERT to accurately discern between human and AI authored text. The aim is to maintain the integrity of educational assessments and improve the security and efficiency of digital communication. So, coming to the business objective, the main thing what we have done here is gathering data from diverse subreddits to construct a comprehensive data set containing questions and answers. And we also employed the ChatGPT API to create responses to the collected subreddit questions, forming a parallel set of AI-generated text. And we finally train and assess two variations of birth models with different dropout rates to classify the responses. So the data processing and the rest of the stuff will be continued by Gagan.
Let's look at the data generation process that we employed. As you can see, we have a different set of subreddits that we have from Reddit, and we create a set of questions and top comments from this different set of subreddits that we have. And then we just label them as zeros, implying that they are human generated. And we just make sure that whether these questions are statements or not by using a model from Hugging Face called the auto model for sequence classification, where it classifies the given questions as proper questions or statements. And once we have that, we just pass these questions as inputs or prompts to ChatGPT, and it generates these very answers from those questions. And we just combine these questions now, and we just label them as one, implying that uh, these answers are from ChatGPT. And then we combine it with the original data set that we started with to come up with our final data here. And this one has all the ChatGPT and human generated responses combined. And what we do is we just use this data set and pass it to a bird classification model. So the we identified that the dropout and without dropout models work particularly the same. So as you can see, I'm demonstrating the model that has the bird classification with dropout enabled. And from this code, we can see that we trained it for 5 epochs and we got a validation loss that is the least at this point, I believe. And we just save the best model that we obtained from the validation loss, and we just apply this model on another set of unseen data that is on the validation set, and we obtain almost 99.82% of accuracy. And once we have that, we even went ahead and tested on few other examples, and it did a great job classifying them as a human or AI generated. And I went ahead and took some completely unknown or unseen data again, and it did quite remarkably on that as well. So that is the model process and the data generation process. Now let's quickly look at the next portion of the project.
Yeah, coming to the model evaluation, we have chosen accuracy as a primary evaluation metric because it directly measures the proportion of total predictions our model makes correctly, which is crucial for a binary classifier task for project. Considering the balanced nature of a data set, accuracy ensures an impartial assessment of model's performance, free from distortion that an imbalanced data set might introduce. This metric aligns with our objective to develop a model that can be applied in a real-world scenario to distinguish between the human and ChatGPT generated text, where accuracy is the overall classification is essential. So results will be discussed by Naveen.
Yeah, hi everyone, this is Naveen. I'm thrilled to present our findings and recommendation based on our exploration of the BERT model with dropout. Our analysis revealed that the model with a 20% dropout performed comparably to the base BERT model, with accuracy as our key metric. Notably, dropout enhanced the model's generalization abilities and prevented overfitting. Moving forward, we recommend marketing the BERT classifier as a premier solution for upholding the academic integrity amidst the advancements in AI text generation. We advocate for supplying educational institutions with compelling data and case studies showcasing the BERT classifier's real-world effectiveness. Additionally, we propose investing in public relations and educational campaigns to raise awareness about the significance of authentic student work and how AI can support this cause. Our team contributions were pivotal to our success. Gagan and Srikumar handled data extraction and pre-processing, while Akshay worked on the BERT model without dropout, and Shashank worked on the model with dropout. And I focused on the question or statement classifier, which is from the Hugging Face pre-trained model. Looking ahead, we envision opportunities for improvement, such as expanding our dataset to include a wider range of sources, exploring alternative deep learning architectures like GPT-3 and transformers for enhanced generalization, and implementing our methodologies in educational institutions, and email systems. This forward-looking approach reflects our commitment to continual growth and innovation. In conclusion, our work with BERT model with dropout holds promise, particularly in addressing academic integrity challenges. We are excited about the potential for growth and application in diverse settings. Thank you for your attention.
Thank you.
Thanks, everyone.
Thank you.